Hey, what up, y'all? It's your boy Ben back with another update. So I just arrived to the receiver, about to get unloaded. I'm gonna tap back in with you guys. I'm gonna set the phone up so you guys can see the process. So we arrived on site. It is a construction site. They building a Publix grocery store. When you come to construction sites, you gotta have your PPE. I don't got no glasses, but they don't be tripping on that. But you gotta have hard hat, steel toes, and a hazard vest for sure.